Structurally, Imperma Board is produced in sheet format with thicknesses ranging from 3 mm to 32 mm, made from a high-quality PVC foam formulation, and has been specifically developed by us for the interior design and architectural world for fine decor finishes and furniture manufacture. Imperma Board with its hard exterior skin has been specifically developed as a substitute for MDF, Particleboard and Plywood. The core of Imperma Board, a closed-cell PVC foam board, is both solid and has a rigid structure. Its closed-cell foam structure makes it very lightweight, as little as half the weight of MDF of an equal thickness and density, highly resistant to moisture and most chemicals, as well as being exceptionally easy to cut, shape and apply finishes to. Imperma Board can be utilized for almost any application that would be traditionally thought of as a preserve of timber and wood-based board products.